Anyone working in venture capital knows the struggle software developers have in raising capital. With equity, you get dilution and diminished control. With private debt, double-digit interest rates, and your software and whole life secured. For many software companies, getting to the next level and not sell their soul can require just a little extra working capital. There's an option. A government-insured lending program used for equipment has been expanded for software purchases and development. Each developer/investor can get $350,000 financing, only secured to business assets paid over 10 years at prime plus 3%. Gets better. Personal liability is only 25% of the loan. How do you qualify? Credit score over 650 and 82,500 in liquid equity. Further, this loan will still get you access to the bank's small business resources for free. BDC and EDC programs will be easier, and bank debt is a natural transition to a real business. If you need $350,000 to build your software, or want to buy software, or start a software company, work with Sean to expand your opportunities and the best success.